Okay, guys, let's do one more sound check. Should be okay. I'm not sure why you couldn't hear me. I hope that it's okay now. Excellent. So it's okay now. Great. Okay. So welcome to Weekly Forex Recap, December 24th. My name is Nenad, and as always, I'm showing you what happened last week and what might happen next few days. I am not trading today, and I will not be trading tomorrow. I thought I would be trading, but generally, guys, I want to also celebrate Christmas. So I will be trading on Wednesday until Friday, and then we have a new year. So 3 more days, possibly only Wednesday and Thursday, because I don't like Friday trading. I usually lose money on Friday, so I might skip Fridays. Definitely, maybe only one setup on Friday, and that's it, because I really don't like Fridays. I also did a complete revision of my 2019 template that I will be using, connected my FX book, so I can show ECS live Telegram signals on my FX book during 2019. So that is reserved for our ECS live members. Now let's focus with the weekly Forex recap. First, we go with risk disclaimer, explain the CFD and Forex and leverage products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. Have in mind that Forex trading is risky, and everything you see here is my personal opinion only, and you should not take as advice if you don't agree with me. Of course, this is my personal opinion only. Trading rules are always the same. Give price a breathing room. We enter in the zone. It's called the POC zone. For every market that you trade, you need to trade the first touch of the zone. That is usually the most profitable. We take only one position per listed pair. It's either positional or alternative trade. Breakout trades, the scalp trade levels can be traded in a penalty of any position. Also, guys, these setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and sometimes the day after tomorrow. But I would say that because today is a holiday, tomorrow is Christmas, guys, setups are valid, will be valid maybe tomorrow later and early Wednesday morning, but pay attention to it. Add these levels to system, which I am telling you, pay attention to trend, and pips pool is the maximum available number of pips you could have made on my recaps. This is the result for the previous week. Euro dollar 50 pips, pound dollar possible 65, the Australian dollar possible 60 pips, dollar yen was either plus 20 or minus 20, the BTC dollar was good for 140 pips, gold was good for 90 pips, total pip count in between 385 to 425 with these setups, and the gold and BTC dollar were the trades of the week. This was euro dollar. As you can see, straight rejection from 14.00. GBP dollar, straight rejection from 27. It went in a drawdown, but then it dropped. The Australian dollar, again, 72.00, rejection. So I hope that you made money. Dollar yen, here, this was tricky. Either a win or a loss from this spot or this spot. But I would say this was a loss. And the BTC dollar, great trade, exactly from the POC zone, straight away from possibly 100 and more pips. So definitely trades of the week, gold and the BTC dollar. And guys, this is my template that I will be using mostly for Telegram signals, trading ideas, and my trading personal. I will I set up my Facebook account, and it will be active in 2019. So I will show you my trades, and of course, this is what basically is all about. We have a custom indicators, a triple filter for filtering trades, ECS arrows. Completely automated method. You just need to spot clear T89 rejections from EMA 89 and see if it's a valid T89 and take trades. Above this middle line, this is daily Bollinger. If the price is going, if we want to go long, the price should be above middle line. For short trades, below middle line, guys. Very, very clear when there is a big trend, strong trend. The template will also change the color This was coded by one of our ECS Live members who is very, very happy with Camarilla MACD, and you see the signals. So this can be traded on 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. Very, very accurate triple filter for trades, and you can see potential setups. So regarding, guys, euro dollar, I will start with euro dollar first. This is where you could possibly short euro dollar. If it gets to 1470, guys, I will go with short. Here you can see a lot of confluence, monthly H4, Bollinger Bands, historical sellers, weekly H4. And Ilya, you can see that I have 89 EMA on my template. So from now on, we are using T89 signals also on the MTF. This is actually CTE, Camarilla Trend Trading, or MTF is the same. And I'm using this, as I said, for my Fixbook, mostly Telegram signal channel. And this will be also one of my main methods along with Camarilla Lite. I didn't see the email, Ilya. Please, can you resend it, please? Because I haven't checked today. Maybe I missed it, skip it. But yes, please do, and I will check it. I will check it just after my webinar. So, guys, as I said, this is my primary method. So I'm thinking to effectively, if the price gets there, I think this could be a short trade. Now, because middle Bollinger Band started to go zigzagging, you see, to the upside, I think that rejection from the middle line could be treated potentially as bullish, and 1360 is a way to go long. So I'm not doing slides, I need to tell you. I will just analyze it because it's not a typical day or a week for trading. So short from this spot, long from this spot. GBP dollar counter trend move. But you see that the price is zigzagging down, middle line. This means that if the price closes below the weekly H3 and this middle line, this will be a short trade. But because the price now is above middle Bollinger Band line and it's going still up, I might say that this could be a way to short. If the price gets there, this could be a short. First target here, second target there. Anyway, close below weekly H3, guys, will be bearish for the GBP dollar. Believe me, guys, a clear close below weekly H3 will be bearish. See the power of new template. Yeah, I included triple filter, guys. So triple, it has triple filter inside it. Also, thanks to our ECS Live member, he coded this indicator. He is very happy with Camarilla MACD, and now we have very, very accurate setups. Of course, the hardest part is where to take the profits actually, but I'm still faithful to my protecting profits, like scaling out of profits. So GBP dollar short for a long trade. I would say eventually 26.20. If it drops there, guys, this will be a long. So 27.55 to 27.86 short. The Australian dollar, guys, could be a counter move. You see how the price is actually trying to go up, but I would say here is a short trade, guys. Close to ATR projection, order block, weekly H3, 70.90, guys, is a short. For a long trade, well, I would say here, 70.00, 70.10 could be a long. But price today is, this is, guys, holiday time. So be careful. That is why I'm giving you extremes. So extremes are there. This is the Australian dollar short and long. The dollar yen dropped significantly. Of course, it has to do also with Christmas time, guys. So I would say that if the price does a retest of weekly H3 around 111, this could be a short trade. Also pay attention to this level. Potential short 110.80, guys. Retest of order block. This could be a short. For a long trade, I would say only if it drops more to downside. Eventually, if it starts making reversal patterns here, then 110.40 will be level to go long. But this is the main level to go short. Try scalping around 110.80. I think this will be good for scalps. Okay. Then gold. This is very, very bullish, guys. And you see, starting move from this spot, T89. Actually, this is not T89, but eventually this was a rejection from EMA 89. Yeah, this is T89 here. And you see how the price goes. I would say long. Again, retest of 1256 is a long. And short trade, whenever price makes a short reversal pattern, bearish reversal pattern from these levels, you can try to go short. Dollar CAD, guys, again, if the price starts making reversal patterns from 36.10, eventually this is the better level, 36.50. ATR projection high, weekly H3. Either from this spot or from this spot, but I would say higher, because now it's trying to go more to the upside. For long trades, I'll never ever wait, guys. For long, I would say it needs to drop here, or at least 34.55, 100 pips to go long. Now it's time for counter trend. So short and eventually long from 34.55. You need to see reversal pattern, Mario, for a price to drop. If it doesn't make reversal pattern from this level, then this could be the level to go short. Okay. Next thing is New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, guys, potential counter trend trade. If this candle 4-hour closes above this lower band, this will be a signal, okay, to go long. Counter trend move. Short trades are found here or here. ATR projection is 67.73. Here we have an order block. So this is short, or eventually from this spot, guys. So mark it on your charts. From this spot or this spot. It's a short trade. Okay. And finally, what I also wanted to show was Euro Yen. Again, this is a big drop, touching the ATR projection. ML5, PTL3. Price needs to make a reversal bullish pattern here. If it gets there, guys, you can go long. And I think the level to go short is either weekly H3, confluence with ATR. Eventually, if it goes more to the upside, guys, these are levels to watch for. 127.20, 127.60. Order block, weekly H4, double bottom order block, and weekly H3 previous swing. But from this spot, this is a long trade. GBP Australian dollar, Daniel is asking. I would go short if the price makes a reversal pattern around these levels here. 80.75, 80.86. So if the price makes a reversal pattern, this is level to go short. For a long trade, I would say either from this spot or from this spot. This is not Bollinger Band, so my system wouldn't signal a short. Watch this, guys. Perfect. I really need to exploit this in 2019. But I would say, if the price gets there, watch for scalp. From here, this is a clear long. But I guess that you will catch a short trade. Short trade is at this spot. So watch for it at this spot. Okay. So guys, if you have any other questions, please do ask me. As I said, it's Christmas time. price can be a bit more volatile than usually, not respecting trend, but actually going counter trend. So if you still want anything, just tell me. If not, we can call it a day. So I wish you a Merry Christmas, guys. Very, very Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And I will, as I said, I will trade with my group 2 more days, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I will enjoy New Year's holidays, guys. So I wish you excellent holiday, Merry Christmas to you guys, to your loved ones, your families, and try to use these levels, guys, that I told you, because if you want to scalp, if you want to trade, this is the way to go. So enjoy holidays, guys. Love you all. Cheers, and as always, trade safe.